in general with CPNs, I just think that you guys should start building up your credit. I just think that this is like a quick shortcut. Eventually, you're going to have to start building up your normal credit. And then right now, too, they're not even accepting applications anymore, which is horrible. I have seen, let me just say, I've seen people do a lot of accounts. Like Credit One, Navy. I have seen them do like Kickoff. I have seen them do self these type of accounts with a CPN, but I just really think that you guys should start building up just your personal credit reports and leave these CPNs alone, because you're going to thank yourself in the long run when you start building your credit. The biggest thing with credit is having that history, and the sooner you start building it, the faster you're going to get there. So even if you build up your CPN, please, I'm begging you, please start building up your regular credit report, because you're going to thank yourself in the end. Even if you just get some secure accounts for right now and let those, graduate, like Navy Federal, Discover, maybe like Capital One, get some secure credit cards right now on your personal profile. Those right there is going to help you in the long run, because they'll graduate to unsecured accounts. You're going to get your money back, and then you're going to start building your history. Okay. But they're not accepting applications right now, and just be careful with your